Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Apple Pay with Citi debit card. Easy setup, step by step, clearly. To begin, unlock your iPhone and open the Wallet app. If you don't have the Wallet app, you can download it from the App Store. Tap the plus sign in the top right corner to add a new card. Select debit or credit card from the options presented. Next, follow the prompts to scan your Citi debit card. If scanning doesn't work, you can enter your card details manually. Once you've added your card, tap Next to proceed. Apple will verify your information with Citi. You may need to complete additional verification via a text message or email from Citi. After verification, your Citi debit card will be added to Apple Pay. To use Apple Pay in stores, look for the contactless payment symbol at checkout. Double-click the side button on your iPhone to access Apple Pay. Select your Citi debit card if it's not already shown. Hold your iPhone near the contactless reader until you see a checkmark. For online or in-app purchases, select the Apple Pay option at checkout. Your Citi debit card will automatically be used for the transaction. Complete any additional authentication steps, such as Face ID or Touch ID. You're now all set to use Apple Pay with your Citi debit card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.